Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to HIMediaTV. I am your host, Evan from HIMediaTV, and
Mm,
welcome back to High Media Headlines for today, September the 2nd, 2025. We got a quick show for you today. Let's get right into it now, shall we? So, Overwatch screwed up again. Big surprise. Countless Reddit threads and social media posts piled up this week strongly criticizing Blizzard's decision to add a MOBA-style draft system to Overwatch 2's popular Stadium mode. Specifically, players were against the removal of mirror matchups where both teams can play as the same heroes. 3 days. 72 hours. That's all it took for this to go the way of the dodo. Now, that's all well and good. My question is, why wouldn't they just add a draft mode? Why wouldn't they just add a completely separate mode for this to be a thing? Why would you choose a completely separate? It's so dumb. There is a reason Marvel Rivals is overtaking Overwatch. There is a reason why Marvel Rivals is overtaking Overwatch. This is the type of thing where you could tout this as a new mode, a new feature, but no, you're like you could have a simple, easy win, new content for Overwatch, yippee! A new mode, legendary. But then you're going to do this instead. It's just Blizzard is no longer the company it was. It has been gutted for parts, and it's over. It's just over. And honestly, at this point, they kind of deserve it. Moving on to the MB&E Index. The MB&E Index is how we here at HIMediaTV gauge the health of the American economy by looking at the store brand price of milk, bread, and eggs from major American retailers. The current MB&E index stands at $10.07, with Aldi's at $7.27, ShopRite at $12.45, and Walmart at $7.37. Here is your graphical snapshot. Go away.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to talk to me outside of this video, outside of live streams, or just join the community and be a part of it, you can do so at himedia.gg/discord. Discord links there. We'd love to have you. And given the financial situation of the economy right now, I know this is a tall ask, but if you have the scratch to spare, please consider donating and becoming a supporter at himedia.gg/tip. All of our perks are serviced through our Discord channel, including early access videos, exclusive videos, and more. Your generosity is a blessing, and $1 a month is a boon to my mental health. Thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate you, and have a great day.